Good morning, world. Today I'm gonna put valve seals on the rest of the valves on the right side of this Chevy 283 engine, and then we'll see. I put valve seals on the number 6 cylinder the other day. It seemed like it smoked less, but it was still smoking some. So I thought, well, I'll go ahead and do all of them. Now I have I'd made me a tool the other day, and I almost made the forks a little too wide. This is a tool I made for my valves, and unfortunately the forks are wide enough so that it's pretty hard to get them to hook on to either side of a valve. So I'm just going to put some metal back in that area right there. Do that first thing. I thought if the piece of metal that I cut off was laying up here, I might weld it. There it is right there. Weld it back in place and then cut some of it back out. I think I could just about put a little piece of it right in there. I'm not looking at the right thing. I could put a little piece of it right in there and then trim out a little bit of it. In fact, this side's a little wider than that side, so I could actually weld a piece right there and then come along and snip off an edge. That would give me a little something there. So I think I'll do that first. And that's pretty quick and dirty weld. I mean, I believe I can just set this up here like this here. I suppose this would be less in the way of me. Put it this way. Right there. Set this right here, and give me a pair of vice grips and vice grip that into place and weld it. Oh, there's a wire. Alright, let's go have a look at that. And if it's on there a little better, you know, I might add a little bit to the other side too, just as I'm looking at it, thinking, well, it would be even better if there was a little bit of something on the other side. So this gives me a little bit more of a connection here, so I think that would work good. So